This is Ed. Welcome to another Exchange 2016 video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Recipients tab in the Exchange Admin Center. You'll notice that within Exchange 2010 you had to basically expand recipients at the bottom to get to your mailboxes, distribution groups, etc., etc. Well, they've made it a lot easier now. So when you log in, you basically get taken straight to your Recipients tab. Now you can see it's pretty easy to navigate mailboxes. You can add a mailbox here or a linked mailbox. If you want to talk about groups and you want to create groups, you can click the drop down with a little arrow and you can choose what kind of group you want to create. Here are your resource mailboxes, which you can create. Is very easy. Your contacts, you can create a contact. And your shared mailboxes, you can see it's actually pretty easy. New shared mailbox. And then migration. So if we talk about migration, this is migration batches. So if you wanted to create a group of users, for example, marketing or management or IT, for example, then you could click on the plus button and then you can choose to a different database. And you can select the users from a group here, for example. So if I choose user 1 and these 3 mailboxes and I click next and call it my batch 1, I'm not going to be moving the archive because I don't have an archive mailbox enabled. I'm going to move it to the second database, click next, and I'm going to say mail me when the batch completes, when the batch starts, and you can click on new. In 2010 you didn't really have that. On 2010 you could just go click on mailbox, right click and say new local move request, or any one of the other options, and here you can basically monitor what's going on. So you can, if you click within inside, it tells you 3 mailboxes and it's pretty much everything that you've chosen, and the bad item limit is 10. And now what we do is you just got to wait for it to basically complete its moves. So as you can see, it's been simplified. It's a lot easier. If you make use of applications like FIM, Forefront Identity Manager, or if you have an Oracle application on top that is the main application authority that controls creating of AD users, mailbox, etc., then obviously you won't be creating them manually here. It'll be done from a system. And then also doing moves, if you have a system like Odin, Cloud Blue, or anything else that sits on top of Exchange, then mailbox moves will not happen directly from the EAC or from PowerShell. It gets done from the third-party application, but you can still monitor the move requests. So, for example, under migration, can say get move request statistics. Obviously, I don't have anything moving right now. That batch is still busy, but you should be able to monitor everything here. And then once it completes, then most of the third parties will clean up their move requests. If you do manual backend moves, like if you're doing IT mailboxes, etc., that aren't visible on the third party, etc., then you can just clean them up from here. And that's it for recipients. Thank you very much for watching.